Welcome to my new blog post 14. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the specialization. So when we talk about the specialization, I basically say this like specialization is actually totally opposite to the generalization. And in a specialization, a group of entities is actually divided or subdivided into subgroups based on their characteristics. So you can say that specialization is a top-down approach, and since it is actually opposite to the generalization, as in specialization, one higher level entity can be broken down into two lower level entities or more lower level entities. Specialization is basically used to identify the subset of any entity set that actually shares some distinguishing characteristics. Normally, the superclass is defined first, and the subclass and its related attributes are defined next, and the relationship set are then basically added. We can actually understand this like in an organization. In an organization, there is an employee, and an employee can be a tester or a software engineer. So employee is more like a generalized form of a person, and then I can say like with respect to his job role, I have identified it. If I can actually easily identify him as a tester or a software engineer. So when I actually roll it upside down, I will get the generalized behavior. Like the tester and software engineers will be go upwards and employee will come downwards.